Hey gang, Jose with Sailing Reverie, bringing you another quick project, or so I hope. I picked up a new Confrano Sirocco II fan, and the reason I picked up this fan is because I wanted to try to help the airflow on the salon coming from the air conditioner. So our air conditioner has a vent, which is right here, and another one on the V-berth, on the master suite. And that one, for the space, it blows really well. But this one has kind of a weird angle, so it doesn't have a lot of airflow. So I've been trying to use this little fan, but this fan has like absolutely no, doesn't move hardly any air at all. It's actually, not a very good fan. So what I'm thinking is mounting the Sirocco on the bulkhead here, so I can either open it towards the cabin and have air come this way, or flip it over towards this fan and have it push more of the cold air out here into the salon. Now I'm sure I'm gonna have to add another fan, but I wanted to get started with one and see how that goes. So let me unbox this thing and see what we got. We have the unit, pretty nice, has a mounting base. This one has a timer, so you can turn it off automatically after a certain number of hours, and is a 360 design, so you can rotate the head pretty much 360 degrees to make it blow as you need to. So I'm going to see what's the best way to mount it. Over here we have our instruction manual, mounting screws for the mounting plate. I guess you can also use this to kind of stick it in place, and then you can put the screws on. And the wire for the electric hookup. Right. And the instruction manual. Right. So I mounted the backing plate with number 6 screws, which is what they call for. They give you an adhesive so you can stick the plate to, the wall, the bulkhead, the area where you're mounting it, and then that makes it a little easier to get the holes drilled and screwed in. And then I drilled a small hole through the countertop to get the electric down below. And this, as you can see, is going to slide into those recesses, so it's going to mount and slide down, and that's what's going to lock it in place. All right, now after you mount the fan on the base, there's 2 more screws on each side to secure the base so it doesn't, if it jumps or if there's any vibration, it's not going to move. To release the arm, you pull the lever down and you can move the fan, bring it up, and they'll lock that dimension into position. A little bit further up. And on the side, you're going to have the 3 speeds and the timer. The electric I ran underneath. You can see the cable right there. And basically, it runs underneath, over the corner here behind this panel. I took the panel out and wired it in tandem with the lights. So that way when I flip all the cabin lights, all the fans are going to come on, and then I can shut manually the individual lights. Okay, so here's the end product. I'm gonna glue this to the wood here just to have a nice clean line and have this out of the way, but now this is all mounted in right next to the vent, but I can flip it around and move it over on this side to blow cold air out of the stateroom and into the rest of the boat. So power switch is here in the bottom, has 3 speeds, and then I can use this to set the timer. You can see the light going on for 3 hours, 6 hours, 9 hours, 12 hours, and it will automatically shut off. Okay, so that's it for a simple project. And we got our fan now. It's actually helping move a lot more of the cool air coming out of that exhaust out into the cabin, so it should help get the cabin a lot cooler. I'm definitely going to need to add one more fan in here to keep the temperature under control, so I'll probably get another one of these. This actually moves quite a bit of air, and put them over on this corner over here, so we'll get some nice air circulation. So that's it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this videos, please click on the link below and subscribe to our channel. We're posting everything we're doing on Reverie. Hopefully this will help you with your projects, and we'll see you in the next episode.